There are multiple ways to control these sound effects for your sound pad. On the Rodecaster itself, all you have to do is press the sound effects button at the top, and you can control your banks of audio. You can tap on one of the virtual representations of the audio buttons and control how it plays back. You can record a new sound effect, or you can clear the existing sound effect. You can add a new sound effect from the computer by double-clicking on the Rodecaster Pro application, opening it up. While the Rodecaster Pro is turned on, you'll be able to see the sound pad represented here on the computer. And here you can click on one of the sound pads, change the playback style, remove the existing sound, clearing the pad, or adding a new sound by clicking on the plus sign and finding a compatible audio clip, which will then load that clip onto the Rodecaster Pro, allowing you to immediately access the new sound.